Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video we'll discuss about a compact dining set. This is made in teak wood in walnut finish and it's a single carved chair. As you can see the back of the chair, we don't have any carving work, so this is called single carving. We also have double carving stuff. I'll show you a little later. Before that, let me explain about this unit that you're looking at here. The dining size is 5.5 feet by 3.5 feet. This is as per the size provided by the client, and this one would require a glass on top of it. As you can see, carving on top of the unit. So once we have carving, we require a glass that will cover it and make it usable. Glass we don't provide. So once the unit reaches the site, the client can procure it and simply place it, and it works. Apart from that, you can see 6 identical chairs. We don't have any master chair in this set. Master chair is the one that has got handles, and here we have a chair without handles, so all same chairs for the set. But if you want master chair, king or queen chair also we call it, so we can provide the same, and accordingly the unit can be designed. The other part is about the size and the color. The size, as I mentioned, is as per the client's requirement. You want it a little bigger, you want it a little leaner, we can do that, and we are doing it for thousands of clients across the globe. About the color, this is walnut finish in gloss. If you're looking for natural, you're looking for other colors like Duco paint, like gold, silver, rose gold, white, off-white, even gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing. We have got all the colors. And interestingly, we are making so many different colors these days because clients have varied options. They are asking for different designs, different colors as per the theme they have. And the theme involves everything that you have in your home. It involves the walls, the wallpapers, the wall colors. It could be the louvers, the design of the wall panels, lights on the top like LED lighting, profile lighting, false ceiling. All these together, put together, comes as a theme. And when you have a traditional theme, this is the set that you can look at. I'll show you the lower part of the dining as well. First, let me show you the chair. It's a 4 feet back chair. Back height is 4 feet, and it's a comfortable chair, quite spacious. I'll sit on it, and you can see very comfortable and spacious chair. Generally, if you see leaning chairs like this or leaning chairs, very comfortable type of chairs, they don't work in dining because the basic idea is we sit straight and we have our food. If we are leaning this way or the back, it creates extra pressure on the stomach, and that is not good for while having food. So sitting comfortably but not very comfortably is the idea. Now let's look at the dining as well. It's a double pillar dining. We have got two flower pot designs on the base and they are connected together. It's a single piece because it's a smaller unit, but once we have bigger units, we make it in folding pattern. So top goes off, the pillar goes off, and we can assemble that on site. In the beginning, I discussed about double carving. Double carving means when you have carving on the front side here and the back as well. And it looks really beautiful. I have a sample for you here. And you can see the back, how beautiful it's looking from the back as well. Dining sets are generally visible from all the sides because we require movement from all the sides and everything is visible. So back designs, double carving looks really nice when you have a flair for heavy or royal stuff. This kind of designs can be easily entertained and think of because it will give a different look to the place altogether. Size, design, color, fabrics. Fabric is another thing that creates a different look to the unit, and it is important because it is something that is connected and related to the queens of the home, the ladies of our house, because they are very particular about the colors. So if you have any choice in colors about the fabric, yeah, this is fabric. If you want leatherette, we have that option also, and we have also started working in real leather. So if you want that, we can provide you options in everything, and you can select what you like. You prepare it and deliver to your home in India or outside India to 55 countries and at factory price. The brand of Aarsun, solid teak wood and factory price stuff delivered to your home directly. If you are looking for something, the number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement and prepare and craft what you like. Thank you. Dhanyavad.